All right, so this was how our Friday morning went. I dropped my 5-year-old off to school. And here I am now with my high schooler waiting for him to his school to open, because we do have to wait like an hour and 20 minutes before his school opens. As you can see, my 3-year-old was just woke. This is how he just be in and out of his sleep all morning during the process. See, once again, now we're back home and he's back in the bed. However, that gives me time to do my cleaning, because I do clean up thoroughly every Friday morning and sometimes even between. So I'm just mopping the floor because there's a marker on the floor, there is food on the floor, and I poured some bleach on the floor to have direct contact with the marker, because sometimes it don't be coming out, just like it don't be coming up off their skin. So he has had like 3 baths and I still can't get the marker off his skin as well. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. But at least I was able to get my cleaning done before I had to leave back out and go pick them both up from school.